Welcome to Reypurposed Made. One of the cooler parts of setting my own schedule means that I can create custom art furniture wherever I am. See how I take random pieces of wood and turn them into one-of-a-kind masterpieces. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see my latest works. Are your shoe boxes falling apart? Are you looking for a way to organize all of your shoes? Are you still looking for that shoe that mysteriously disappeared under your bed? There has to be a better way. Of course there is. What you need is a rolling underbed shoe storage just like this. Right now I'm in Houston at my best friend's house and I'm making tons of pieces for her, but I started with this one. This one because it's the easiest, simplest to make, and then I'm off for a lot more.
We are living in an age of Plutonomy, where monetary controls are ground to me. Too many therapists, not enough scientists. Guess you care about yourself more than the environment. Mother Earth, yeah, can you hear a crying man? Volcanoes, tornadoes, all these wildfires, man. Modern day colonial explorers got a higher plan. Control the ladder to success, so know what climbs it, man. This is classism and fascism, I'm that rhythm. So much division deriving all from the caste system. The sole purpose of banks is to get cash in them. I guess they really don't want us being compassionate. Resources, they are trying to ration them. Resources, why they keep on extracting them. Bang the drum of Plutonomy, eliminate the medicine man, build a pharmacy. And yo, then they call that modernity, trying to modernize and colonize our currency. Yo, and yo, the Inca never knew.
My favorite part about Shanequa's shoe caddy design is how I designed the handle for her to like pull the object from under the bed and put it back in. And originally I was going to use just the common 2x4 and you just have the grip or grasp like this when pulling in and out. But as I was designing it, I came up with an even better idea, and that was to use a 2x2. A 2x2 with a piece of plywood attached to it. That way she can put a whole hand around it and pull the caddy from in and under the bed. And this makes it so much easier. So I'm glad I came up with this. Cool ideas always come up on the spot, and it was a great one for her. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Stick around, there's a little bit more. But I wanted to make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons below to catch my latest content. I post twice a week, always every Monday and Thursday. And if you wanted to follow me on social media or get your very own Reypurposed piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Reypurposed. Thank you and keep watching. How many pairs of shoes do you have?
Countless. So there's categories, right? There's the closet ones, then there's the lingering ones, then there's the winter ones, and there's the summer ones. So I was like, let me figure out something that I can have easy access to my everyday shoes, right? Which makes this like super perfect, right? Because I don't wear my boots every day, right? Especially in Texas. So, I can put those stored up somewhere, but easy access, and I can just like get to what I need and just pull it out. I'm a little handicapped too, so my hands don't always work, right? So I need something easy and lightweight, and look, it just moves. I can put you right there, and you know what this helps me not do? Look everywhere for a pair of shoes that I know is right here, because these will be my everyday shoes, right? These are what I go to, like run to the store, or run anywhere, right? I hate looking for things. So this, pull right out, right? And I have shoes that I wear every day. Perfect. I don't have to think about it. I don't have to remember about it. And I just know I can throw on something that's going to fit something right here for convenience.
Too many therapists, not enough scientists. Guess you care about yourself more than the environment. Mother Earth, yeah, can you hear a crying man? Volcanoes, tornadoes, all these wildfires, man. Modern day colonial explorers got a higher plan. Control the ladder to success, so know what climbs it, man. This is classism and fascism, I'm that rhythm. So much division deriving all from the caste system. The sole purpose of banks is to get cash in them. I guess they really don't want us being compassionate. Resources, they are trying to ration them. Resources, why they keep on extracting them. bang the drum.